Thutha wa kamiti ya uthurimi mbunge-ini ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga gutengemania riboti igii minista ikumi aria mamuritwo na kwendekithio ni ngabana Ann Waiguru gutungata thirikari-ini yake, othe aya riu ni mahitukitio ni mbunge ino. Riboti ino iratengemanirio ni mutongoria wa aria aingi Muriithi Kibinga na spika wa mbunge ino muteti murimi aroria MCAs kuheana mawoni mao megemaine na riboti iyo.
Audited financial statement of Kirinyaga County Executive Alcoholic Drinks and Substance Abuse Control Fund for the year ended 30th June 2022.
This Assembly adopt the report of the Committee on Appointments on approval hearings of candidates nominated for appointment as members of the County Executive Committee. As many are of this opinion, say aye. Whereas many of our contrary opinions say nay, the ayes have it.
MCA wa Tebere Peter Kariga uria urari mumemba kamiti-ini ya guthurima Maminista aya akiuga aya ikumi ni monekanite gukurana wira wa iturwa iria mathukiirwo.
Namna ambavyo gavana yetu anafanya kazi, alichagua watu ambao wanaweza muiga kikazi.
MCA wa Kiruguya Eric Mushina na murunawe wa Faragwe David Mathenge makiuga kuri na wira muingi ubatie gukorwo kirutirwo muingi wa Kirinyaga na uguo aya ikumi magirire kwihitithio niguo mambiririe wira.
Call Director Karoki at any given time during the day, during the night, he's going to pick your call, regardless whether you are a member, whether you are public, whether you are who.
They qualify, and it's good that these people are here to work for Kirinyaga people.
Enter this committee, the truth, the whole truth.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Laikipia mihango ya uthurimi wa maminista mugwanja mbunge-ini ino ni utirihitwo aria mendekithitio ni Governor Joshua Irungu thirikari-ini yake. Mihango ino itirihitwo o riri igoti inene mwena wa Nanyuki riteanirie cira uria urahanditwo igoti-ini kurugamia mihango ino.
Wale waliohojiwa, waliotumwa na mheshimiwa gavana wametoka katika kila sehemu ya county.
Affordable housing ambayo itafanyika huko Laikipia itahusisha sana vijana wa Laikipia, na sio hizo kazi tu. Tutaongea pia na makontrakta wengine wote ambao watakuwa wakifanya kazi hapa, ya kwamba waweze kuwahusisha vijana wa hiyo sehemu ambayo wanafanyia hiyo kazi.
Riu minista ya othe metereire kwihitithio niguo makorwo makiambiriria wira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.